Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to delete some pictures at a Huawei P20 Lite. For that we go to the gallery and here we see the pictures. Let us start maybe with this picture here. It is not good, so if you want to remove it, go on the trash can. If the trash can is removed, just tap again on the picture and the trash can will be there again, and then you confirm that you want to delete it. Okay. If you want to remove some more pictures, so go with your finger on the picture you want to remove and hold it a bit, like this. And now maybe let us remove also this line here. You go always on the small boxes here, confirm it. And now if you want to delete it, go again on the trash can. He will ask you if you're sure. Yes, I am. Go on delete, and now the pictures are gone. Okay, and this phone has a security mode, so in case you may erase a picture you want to keep, you can rescue the picture. Go to albums and go to recently deleted. In that trash can, the pictures will stay for 30 days. You can see here also when you have deleted, so I have 29 days remaining pictures. Tomorrow will be 28 days now, as you can imagine. And if you want to remove everything now, go on clear, and then go on clear again, and he will remove all the pictures and that trash can as well, and the pictures are now gone from your phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me maybe a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've prepared also some other videos for the P20 Lite. Maybe you can have a look. Maybe there are some nice tips and tricks which one helps you. And yeah, if you want, maybe until next time. Ciao.